go over here. Look. I see the rocks. What do you think? Is it cold? Yeah. The kids are in their swimsuits and they're swimming. It's like 60 degrees, super windy, and cold. We're not that hardcore. Yeah, and cold. Ooh, what's that? What's that? It's a cool rock. Oh, I like it. Oh, look at that shell. That one's cool. Someone living in there. Look at these little squirmy trails. What? Yeah, they left little trails, didn't they? What? It's okay. What is it? It's just a footprint. Yeah. Come here, come look over here. Rose your treasures? Huh? Go show Rose your treasures. Yeah, you found some treasures. Good job, buddy. Is it cold? Woo! Come on! Kingston! Look! What are you doing? Hey! Ah! Are you swimming? No? He's like, I don't know about that. He's like, no? Don't let your diaper drag you down, buddy. It's a cave? Whoa. Whoa. Cool, dude. Wow, what's that? Yep, let it live. It's a little snail. It's alive. What's back in the cave? Is that cool? Wow. Look up there. That's cool. You gonna go explore? Careful. Yeah. Whoa, was that hard? Yeah. Okay, go for it. I think that's okay. Yeah? Whoa, you an explorer? Explorer Kingston. Mommy come too? Okay. What do you see? What is it? Yeah. It's cool. Look up. Look way up. What's up there? Huh? You think there's a roar up there? Whoa, it looks really cool. Hey! Was that a bridge? Okay. Yeah? Yeah, the water. It's cool water. Cool water. There's a water? A roar? I don't think there's a roar. A roar lives up there. A dragon? Yeah. Dragon. Where's the dragon? Show me. Where does it live? Up there? Awesome. Should we go see Rose? Let's go play. Let's go play with Rose. Ooh, this water's warm. Get over. Good job. See a jellyfish? There it is. Cool, huh? No! No, you can't attack it. Don't attack the jellyfish. No. You want to touch it? Careful. Oh, careful.
I touched it.
You did touch it. What did it feel like? Like jelly? Oh, careful. No, don't touch the bottom. Just in case. Sometimes they can sting you. They have things that hang off the bottom and they'll sting you and it's an owie. But that one's okay on top. Oh, you got rid of your cool rock. I thought you were going to show Daddy your rock. No? You were going to show Daddy your rock. Okay, wash your hands off. We're going to go dry it off. Wash your hands. Get all the sand off. Get that hand clean. No, he won't give you an outie, but you can wash your hands. Why?
We got to jump on the trampoline.
Honey, you need shoes on. You're going to ruin your socks.
We went on the trampolines and
Fun.
and since I was sad, Clara and Louie, they let me have a tractor ride in the front.
Whoa.
Since I was sad.
That's awesome. I wish you wouldn't be walking around with your socks on, please.
Look at the hammock and that. And then look at the trampolines. And then those are the trampolines. We jumped on them later, but he's cleaning them right now, so then we're going to jump on them later.
Fun. I was going to take a picture of Daddy.
Oh, vlogging. Mama? What did you do?
We went to the beach. It was cold and windy.
Vlogging.
No, I'm not. Never.
Mom, can you come pet the doggy style? Oh, look how cute.
Hey.
She's vlogging.
Good. Yeah.
Where'd you go?
It was called Newport Sands.
Oh, I've got you.
Yeah. You need to dance too. Where'd the dancers go? Beautiful. Wow. Oh, no screeching. You dance, don't screech.